Hi guys, it's Christy, your warranty supervisor with Providence Homes. Today we're going to run through the settings on your thermostat so you know how to set it correctly to live in your new energy efficient home. First, we go to the thermostat and we would like to go to the menu section and scroll down. There's a dehumidification mode. Select, and you should have it set at auto at 55%. Then check your fan. Your fan should always be set on auto. All of your thermostats should be set this way to get the most energy efficiency out of your home. Also, your humidity reader. You have a humidity reader on all thermostats so you can gauge where your humidity is set. Thanks for watching. Providence Homes and your warranty department appreciate you watching our videos and understanding how to maintain and live in your energy efficient home. See you again soon.